Welcome back to a brand new episode of Clean Talks with me, Naina Rohel. Today we are peeling back the layers of clean beauty with the visionary founder of Cereco, Malvika Jain.
So Cereco is actually a COVID brainchild. So during COVID, everybody was extremely stressed and it was also really showing up on their skin.
Yeah.
And something like this happened exactly with my cousin. So because of her anxiety, her skin started flaring up. And I started digging into this domain and I realized that there's a science called psychodermatology, which explores the skin and mind connection. Given that it was such a wide space in India, nobody was doing this. So I just kind of started my research and started the brand.
Wow, that's amazing. I think nobody is doing it till now except you.
Yeah.
Malvika, tell me, how do you preserve ingredient transparency in your products and how do they address the various skin concerns?
Right. So I think ingredient transparency is very, very important to us. So one is that we follow the INCI system, which is the International Nomenclature for Cosmetic Ingredients System, which is a very standardized and universally understood ingredient naming system. So we follow that for naming all ingredients. And the other is we disclose all ingredients on our packaging, both our primary and secondary packaging, as well as on the website or anywhere that we're listing the product, to make sure that the consumers have access to every ingredient. And we also highlight the hero ingredients. So I think that's as transparent as you can get for ingredients.
That's great. Please make a note of this. What is it that just makes it different from other brands?
Right. So I think our mind first approach is what makes us different from other brands. And Cereco is India's first psychodermatology brand. So psychodermatology is psychology plus dermatology. It's the science that studies the connection between the skin and the mind. And so with Cereco, we've developed our patented formulas that are clinically proven to reduce your stress, improve your mood, and have a really good significant impact on your skin. So that really is my moat and my USP.
As a successful entrepreneur, what advice would you like to give to women who want to start something of their own?
I think one would be to just take the plunge. As women, we have a lot of responsibilities in our lives, but it just never seems like the right time. So just take the plunge, go for it. And of course, embrace learning.
Yeah.
See every challenge as an opportunity to learn, and of course, build your network of your soundboarding system, your people.
Correct.
I think I've been fortunate enough to have my business family and my network of founders to help me embrace this journey.
Very well said. Thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Clean Talks with me, Naina Rohel. Stay tuned for more conversations uncovering the secrets of clean beauty. Till next time, keep it clean, green and beautiful.